friends, today we are going to see how to create a secret worksheet in Microsoft Excel. If, for example, you are creating a lot of sheets in a single workbook, and out of that large sheets, means whatever the sheets you have created, you don't want to share a single sheet to the recipient. So you can make it hide, but it is not a normal hide. What you have to do is through VBA you can just make it very hidden so that it will not be easily viewable from the open eyes. Means a normal user in Excel will not be able to open that very easily. So how to make it secret hidden worksheet? Let us come with me to learn about that. First, you need to open the Excel workbook. Here in this, you would need the tab that is called the developer tab. This tab is very much important because it will helpful to open the Microsoft VBA editor so that you can do the programming in the Excel itself. If it is not open, means you are not able to see the developer tab, then you have to go into the file menu, then go into the options, then go into the customize ribbon. Here you will see the customize ribbon main tabs here at the right hand side. You have to scroll a little down and you will come to know that there is one developer tab which is available. Currently it is open. If it is not open, as such it will be there, so you have to just click on it and press OK. Then it will appear over here before the help menu. One thing you should have to keep in mind, whenever there is only a single sheet in the workbook, then it will not be hidden. Means VBA will not be allow you to make it hidden. So what you have to do, you have to open a new sheet. Means your workbook should have more than one sheet. As you can see, in the last lecture we have created the settings, page setting, so that is why these two boxes come automatically. So we will just make it uncolored, and now we are trying to make this worksheet as very hidden. It means normal user cannot able to see that sheet or open that sheet. So here you have to open the sheet by pressing the right mouse button. You will open the sheet tab, and here you can see that hide is there. But if you do the hide with this option, you will be able to unhide. Means if you go and unhide, you can able to see the unhide option which is enabled over there. Earlier it was not, because no sheets were hidden in the workbook. Now you have make it hidden a sheet number 2. You can easily unhidden or unhide this sheet. But if you don't want that nobody can get known about this, only those who know little bit about the VBA, that person can easily make it unhidden that sheet. So how we can do that? Let us see. you have to go into the developer tab, click on it, then go into the Visual Basic, click on it. Here you can see sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. So you have to select the sheet number 2, then come down into the properties. Here at the last property, that is visible, here you have to select that visible option and click on the last option, that is Excel sheet very hidden. The moment you click on that Excel sheet very hidden, the control will pass on from sheet number 2 to sheet number 1 automatically. And if you close this VBA editor and come into the sheet workbook, you will come to know that the sheet is hidden. Now you cannot able to see. If you right click the sheet tab and try to make it unhide, it will not allow you to do unhide, right? So now you can save your file, save as, and give whatever name you want to give. Like for example, I want to give hidden sheet as my file name. I'll just save it, right, and send it to whom I just want to send. Nobody will able to get the idea that there is more than one sheet available in this workbook unless and until he will go into the developer tab, go into the Visual Basic options and see there are 2 sheets, right? If he knows, he will go there and try to make it visible, right? And as soon as you do it and come out from this edit, you will come to see the sheet is unhidden or unhide, right? So as such, whatever the sheets you want to make it very hidden, it will not be able to see a normal user with his open eyes. You have to go into the Visual Editor, Visual Basic Editor, and there you can open that sheet. So normally these things, this skill is not known to everybody. So that is why I try to share this with you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my video for to see such tricks and such skills in the Microsoft Excel in the near future. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.